Dear students, today I am taking a third lesson in computer. This chapter is named Windows File Management. In the previous class, you learned about Windows 7 and its components. While working with on a computer, you have to store all the works in the form of files and folders. In this chapter, we are familiar with them and tell you how to manage them. First, we discuss about file management. File management helps you to organize and keep track of your files in the computer. There are thousands of files stored in the computer, and every file has a name is called file name. File management helps to manage those files according to the name, format, size, date, etc. so that they are easily to find when you need them. Then, what are files? All the works that you do in a computer is stored in the form of file. A file contains anything such as drawing, text, a picture created using a software. It is a collection of data and information. A file can be a document file when you write in it. A file can be a picture file when you draw and color in it. Whatever it is, the computer stores your work as a file. Every file has its own unique name. No two files of the same name can be saved at the same location in the computer. Your computer represents files with icons. By looking at a file icon, you can tell what kind of file it is. There are various types of files: document files, spreadsheet files, image files, audio or video files, and so on. Then folders. You know that every work you do in the computer is stored in the form of files. There are thousands of files stored in the computer. If you want to find out a particular file out of those thousands files which are stored in the computer, it will take lot of time and energy. So, those files may be organized into folders. In the computer, a folder is a location for organizing your files. A similar group of files saved together under a common name is called a folder. A folder can also have its unique name. There cannot be two folders of same name at a particular location. Then subfolders. Most folders contain files, but some folders contain additional folders, which we call subfolder. Subfolder is a folder within another folder. A folder in a computer is also represented by an icon. By looking at those icons, you can differentiate between the folders. Part of a folder. You can double-click a folder icon to open it and see what is inside. When you open a folder, it opens in a window. A window is an rectangular area used to display the contents of an application or folder. In addition to display the contents of the folder, a folder window has a variety of parts that are designed to help you to work with files and folders more easily. Then, understanding disks and drives. Your main hard disk is called a non-removable disk because you can just pop it out of the computer by pressing any button. Other types of disks are called removable media because you can pop them in and out of the computer quite easily. Pen drives, CDs, and DVDs are examples of removable media. Your files and folders can be stored on hard disk in your computer on some kinds of removable media. Hard disk can be divided into several logical drives, which are named with a letter, then a colon. Then we are going to discuss about viewing files and folders. You can view the files you create as well as those you download and copy to your computer that are stored on your hard drive. There are 4 main folders in Windows 7 in which your files are saved by default: documents, pictures, music, and videos. Whenever you create and save a document file, it gets stored in Documents folder. Whenever you save any picture from digital camera or scanner or internet, it gets stored in Pictures folder. Whenever you download any music file, it gets stored in Music folder. Whenever you download any video file, it gets stored in Videos folder. If you want to open or work with those files, you first need to view them. What are the different steps to view your file? First, double-click on computer icon on the desktop. Then, computer window will appear. Second, click on Documents to explore your personal files and folders. Third, if you want to view the stored file in a subfolder, double-click on it. The name of the current viewing folder appears at the end of file path in the address bar. Then we discuss about Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is used for viewing files and folders in any Windows operating system. It is suitable for viewing files and folders in a hierarchical order. It is very helpful for efficiently organizing files and folders that are stored in different disk drives of a computer. You can move, rename, and delete files in Windows Explorer. How to view files in Windows Explorer? First, click on Start button to display the Start menu. Second, click on All Programs to view a list of programs on your computer. Third, click on Accessories. Fourth, click on Windows Explorer. Then Windows Explorer screen is divided vertically into 2 pans, the left pan and the right pan. The left pan displays disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. The right pan displays the contents of the folders or drives that is selected on left side pan. The menu control bar is used to display options used to work with files and folders, and the details pan displays with details like file name, type and size of the selected items. Then to display the folders within a folder, click on the expand sign beside the folder. The sixth, to display the contents of a folder, click the names of the folder. Then last, when you finish using Windows Explorer, click Close button to close the window.